Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another review of a great product. This is from Gramofon, and basically you can go to gramofon.com, that's gramofon.com, and you can pick one of these babies up. This, in essence, is a Wi-Fi player where you can stream Spotify right into your stereo using this modular system that plugs into your stereo and gets it all going on. What's nice about it is most people don't realize Bluetooth compresses your sound and actually makes it sound crappy. So the beautiful part with the Gramofon is you can use Wi-Fi to transmit that sound, and you can get the really high, good quality sound. So this works with your Spotify account. You'll need to have a subscription for it, and it'll make your speakers wireless, better than Bluetooth, and you can use them in different rooms and enjoy music everywhere. Plus, it kind of gives you a bit of an extension to your Wi-Fi system and also, everything else you're doing there. So you can stream and listen. You can configure it to however you need to with your iOS devices or your Android devices. Connect them, wire them up, throw parties with it, all that good stuff. And, of course, you're going to get better sound than you would with Bluetooth. So it's very cool that way. It has its own app you can take and download from the app stores that are applicable for Android and iOS. And it's really simple and easy to use. It's not a lot of brain work that needs to go into this. You open it up, plug it in, and away you go. Then you go through the app menu, put in all of the different data you need to do, and it rocks. It's pretty cool. I do wish it would give more in the way of Wi-Fi, but evidently they're still working on some of that stuff, so in the future that hopefully will be available. Right now it's just limited to Spotify in and of itself, but keep watching for them to make more improvements to it. Definitely like the product, and it sounded wonderful, and if you're a big Spotify fan, this is a really inexpensive way to enjoy those musics. So go to gramofon.com, that's gramofon.com, tell Chris Voss sent you, pick up a Gramofon player, and check it out. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.